Hi, I'm Dr. Huffman from Florida Injury Medical Centers. If you're in the Fort Pierce area and you've been involved in a motor vehicle accident, give me a call. The call and the consultation is free, 866-402-4250. I'm an osteopathic physician, board certified in family medicine, and 33 years of experience in treating injured patients just like you. I've treated thousands of injured patients. I understand how to diagnose soft tissue injuries like whiplash. I know how to treat those. I know what kind of specialist you need to see. I know what kind of imaging you need to do. Most physicians don't. First off, your primary care physician in the Fort Pierce area will not treat or diagnose your injuries. I'm a primary care physician, osteopathic physician, board certified in family medicine. I communicate with your primary care physician. They like that. No other Fort Pierce area clinic does that. They either don't have a medical doctor to communicate with your physician, or they just want to avoid talking to your primary care physician for fear that you'll be pulled out of the clinic. I speak to them on a regular basis. I understand how to treat comorbid medical conditions that develop from injuries. I know how to communicate well with attorneys. I've been doing this for 3 decades. I've probably been in court more than many of the attorneys. I do depositions. I do court appearances. I defend cases because I know how to diagnose and treat soft tissue injuries. I know how to document disabilities, losses that may move into the future, your future medical care. So the attorneys love to use my medical reports. So you have 14 days to report an injury in the Fort Pierce area, anywhere in the state of Florida, 14 days. The 15th day, too bad, you're not getting access to care. So since your primary care doctor doesn't do that, most people go to ER urgent care, where you sit among sick people for hours, be exposed to not only the viruses floating around in the lobby for hours, but to excessive CAT scans that are unnecessary in most cases, a cost of sometimes up to $5,000, sent home with a diagnosis, nothing's wrong, or no acute findings because the CAT scans didn't show any broken bones. With medications, I could have called into your local pharmacy without you ever leaving your home. It's just not a good way. That's the old way. That's the horse and buggy way. The future is telemedicine. Go home after the accident. Give me a call, 866-402-4250. Free consultation. If you use my service, I send you to the link to the Telemed. Click on it. I properly diagnose your diagnosis of soft tissue injuries. I do a thorough medical report. I get you into the right imaging, such as MRIs. I get you in the right people like chiropractors, physical therapists, orthopedic surgeons. I get you on the right medications. And you do this all from the privacy, comfort, and safety of your home. And the best part of it is the insurance company pays that bill. So why would you go back to the horse and buggy days of sitting in the ER? So give me a call. It's a simple, easy matter. If you are at fault, you equally need to report injuries. Many at-fault parties do not report their injuries. Have been in a car crash in Fort Pierce. They think to themselves, well, if I report it, my rates are going to go up. Well, guess what? Your rates are going up. Mine go up every year. I've never been in an accident. You're going up if you've been in an accident. Your insurance might even drop you. So now you pay thousands of dollars into this insurance company, and when it comes time to utilize that, you're going to tell them, no, I don't want that money. You keep it all. Well, I'm not telling you that you should be getting treatment you don't need. What I'm saying is, if you have injuries, no matter how minor, report them. A month later, you may not need anything, and we can simply close the case. I'll contact your insurance and say, hey, patient's fine, close the case. However, 2 or 3 weeks later, you need something, you now have care. You're not reaching in your pocket to pay for that care. So it's important, whether you're at fault or not at fault, to report your injuries. Again, I act as your primary care physician during this treatment process, looking at what the therapists are doing. The chiropractor may be involved. Orthopedic may be involved. Neurology. Bringing in the imaging. Document your injuries for your insurer, for your employer, for your primary care physician, for your attorney, a medical doctor, a board-certified medical physician doing that for you. So it's important that you do it right. There's so many cases I see that fall apart because they're not documented properly. There's somebody that is delivering care that is not willing to defend the case in court, or couldn't defend it if they had to, and the case falls apart and you're stuck with a lot of bills. Don't let that happen to you. If you're in care right now in the Fort Pierce area and you're not happy with your care, give me a call. The second opinion is free, 866-402-4250. We'll get you into somebody who cares about you and delivers personalized care. It's your money, you're spending it, you should go where you get the best care. Often patients say, well, my attorney sent me to this clinic. They may get offended. That's not the case at all. Your attorney is interested in your welfare. He or she is fighting the insurance companies to make sure they pay your bills and that you get access to MRIs, neurosurgeons, medical care. They want you to get better. If we send you to another clinic, you're getting better, you're getting access to all those things you need. I will personally make sure you get access to all the things you need. They're going to be fine with that. They'll be happy if you're getting what you need, and they're getting what they need. They need reports. They need to be kept in the loop. So often you go somewhere and attorneys call me and say, geez, the patient was in treatment 8 weeks. I never got a report. I don't even know what their diagnosis is. My reports go out the first day I see you, goes to your attorney, goes to the insurance company, goes to your primary care physician in the first day. So call me anywhere in the Fort Pierce area, 24/7, 866-402-4250. That's my personal cell phone. You'll be speaking to me, not a marketing person, a nurse, or an assistant. Give me a call. Thanks.